In this video, we will show you how to build the PDF viewer page type. This is an example of a two-level page type. The PDF viewer page type can be used for any document that is saved in a PDF format. This page can be used to display newsletters, dining menus, event posters, meeting minutes, and more. As you see on the screen here, our PDF gets displayed directly on the web page, where we can take our mouse and actually scroll right through that PDF. Then on the left-hand side, we can easily click on a different PDF, and it will take us to that one. Now let's go ahead and create this PDF viewer. I'm going to switch to my other tab, which is our Pages Application Square, and we're going to locate the page that we want to add our PDF viewer to. We're going to actually add ours to Member Central, so selecting our Member Central page, and go ahead and click the plus sign. In your list of page types, you're going to go ahead and select the PDF viewer. This is where you're going to enter the name of the page. So remember, whatever we enter here is what will display on the navigation. So we'll put the title of our page and click that Save button. Once your PDF viewer page has been created, you will find it on the content tree wherever you placed it, with the PDF icon beside it instead of the regular page icon. This page can now be referred to as your landing page. Most page types have edits made through the Form tab. So if we ever wanted to adjust the name of this page, we're just going to switch to the Form tab, and we can go ahead and do that here. Now if we switch back to the Page tab, the Page tab of your landing page does allow you to add some edits to the page itself. So if we scroll down, you'll see you do have an editable text box here. This is great for throwing in the title of that page or any additional information that you want to display above the PDF viewer. So, for example, let's put the title of our page. Now you can also add images in here. Maybe you want to put some hyperlinks. You're going to format it the same way as you would a regular page. And just make sure we save those changes. The PDF viewer will display right below where it says Newsletter. Note that page types do publish right away, so you will see a green check mark here even though we haven't published the page. So if you are not ready for this page to be visible on your live site, what you're going to do is select Properties, Navigation, and you're going to uncheck Show in Navigation. Then remember, once you are ready to display this page on your live site, come back in here, make sure Show in Navigation is checked off, save your changes, and this page will now be visible on your live site. Now that we've created our landing page, we can add each individual PDF as its own child page. So we're going to select our Mystic River News page, click that plus sign. When building page types, you will see that you can only add one or two options to build the next level of your page type. This page that we're currently making is our 2-page level, so our second step is to go ahead and add that PDF. First, you can start by adding the name of your PDF, keeping in mind that this is the display name that it will appear on the page itself. So if we go to the live site, right here are the display names for our PDFs. So in this case, we're going to put our June 2017 newsletter. Go ahead and upload your file by clicking on Upload File, and let's select our June 2017 newsletter and open. Note that the max file size when adding a PDF to the PDF viewer page is 10 megabytes. If you like, you can set the post date right down to the specific date and time. This controls when the PDF will appear on the live site, as well as the order it will be displayed. The most current post date will always display first within the PDF viewer. If you would like the PDF to appear right away, the post date does not need to be adjusted, as it will already be pre-populated with the current date and time. However, maybe you would like to post date this PDF. For example, your July newsletter is ready to be added to the website, but you don't want it visible until July 1st at noon. You can simply click that calendar, as well as that clock, and set that specific date and time. Just note that reorganizing the PDFs in the content tree will not change how they display on the live site. So if you do want to adjust the order, make sure you do so by adjusting that post date. Once we've added a bunch of PDFs, possibly your newsletters, and it's been a year and you're starting to realize that you want to start cutting down on the number of PDFs that are displaying on the PDF viewer, all you have to do is checkmark this Hide PDF box, and it will display the PDF on your content tree for you. However, it will not display on your live site. Maybe you've already added your June 2017 newsletter. Instead of deleting that page to add a new one, because maybe you've done some edits and you have a new version of it, all you have to do is click on this little arrow under Update, which will open your computer files, allow you to select that new version of your newsletter, and then save your changes. Once everything's good to go, we can go ahead and click that Save button. However, if you are adding multiple of the same page type, so for example, we're looking at adding multiple PDFs right now, we can actually click Save and create another. This will save our current page, so we can see that on the content tree, but will also allow us to add a new PDF as well. So let's go ahead and add our July 2017 newsletter. We'll throw in our title, upload our file, open, and our post date, we don't need to adjust that because our post date is more recent than our June 2017. So we know that one will display first. Then let's go ahead and click Save. As I mentioned, for our page types, most of the edits are done through the Form tab. So if you do need to come back and edit a newsletter, you will see that information found in the Form tab. Now let's take a look at what this newsletter page looks like on our live website. So we'll go back to our live website, and let's just do a nice refresh. Now we made that page under Member Central, and there's our Mystic River News. As you can see, our July newsletter is appearing on top because that was our most recent post date. Even though this page was created using 2 levels on the content tree, it all displays as one page on your website, i.e. there are no child pages. Each time you do add a new PDF, it will be added to the top of the list for you. And each PDF we do add will automatically be hyperlinked. That way, when we do click on it, it will display the PDF directly in the PDF viewer for you. When a user hovers over the PDF, they will have a few options, including downloading the PDF and also printing it. For some examples on different page types, please watch the video entitled Page Types.